Each moments and vibrant. You are like surgeon and gunplay, surgeon and pillow talk, surgeon sweet dreams, turn into coffee in the morning.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. How are you guys? I hope that you're doing amazing. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, girls, so you know what that means. Sunday self-care. I've been in a rut, honestly, for like a past week. Nails not done, lashes not done, hairy, like I haven't done none of my maintenance for a while. It's time to get ourselves together. Just trying to lock in. I'm just trying to be my best self this fall, and starting off like this, it's not giving. You know, if you're new here, my name is Gloria, and on this channel we talk about curls, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of self-care. So if you like those kinds of videos, make sure to join the fam and subscribe. I'm a DIY girl. I love to do everything myself, so everything in this video I'm going to be doing at home on my own. You know, we love to save some coin over here. This is perfect for my girls who are trying to save some money, trying not to spend as much on their maintenance every month. If you want to learn how to do things DIY, this video is for you. Right now I'm just enjoying some tea. My mom brought this hibiscus cranberry tea, so I'm drinking this right now. It's so good. I just forgot honey. So for today's to-do, we are doing a nice shower. I really would like to shave and just, you know, do a good body scrub and just get the skin right. I've also been dealing with some back acne, so I want to do a little routine on that. Definitely dermaplaning because I'm hairy. Gotta get these eyebrows back to normal, so I'm gonna tweeze them. I did my hair like 2 days ago and I have to film some content for it, so I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna fix like these frizzy pieces. I definitely want to do my lashes, have my lashes looking nice and cute, and put you guys onto some new lashes that I got recently that I've been loving how they look on my eyes. And we're also gonna do these nails. I have these press-ons for like 2 weeks and they're finally starting to fall off. Shout out to Static Nails, because these with just their glue lasted this entire time. They were so cute. I asked everyone on Instagram like what nails should be the next nails I do, and you guys suggested polka dot nails that I do. So simple. I'm kind of happy because, girl, all summer I did like crazy extravagant sets, so it took me out, and that's why I've been doing press-ons for the past month. So I'm excited to get back into Gel X. Yeah, that's pretty much all we're doing today. So it's gonna be a little vlog, take you guys along with me. Let me go ahead and enjoy the rest of this tea, and I'll see you guys in the shower.
Leave me on red, baby, but I still get the message. Instead of lines, 3 dots, but I can connect them. And if it ain't right, babe, you know I respect it. If you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Blowing kisses like will you catch 'em at night. I'm Cupid with arrows, babe, I'm just shooting my shot. If I could get in, drop me a pin, hopping up and come over. Don't wanna be friends, just in the skin, I wanna get closer and closer and closer. The way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again.
Alright, we are back. I just refreshed my hair. I used the Curlsmith new Awestruck cream, and I love how my hair turned out. Like, it looks good as new. Like, you guys saw all those frizzy pieces that were over here and down here? Good as new, literally. So I'm really excited to move on, do my lashes and whatnot. So let's get right into it. Just gonna put on my headband so my hair is not in the way. You guys have no idea how bad I needed this. Like, life has just been lifing. I don't know what it is, but this transition from summer to fall has been hard. It's been difficult. I did take a little bit of a break when I got out the shower because your girl didn't eat the entire day. I swore I was gonna pass out. So I ate. First thing I think we're gonna take care of is these brows, because I don't know if you guys can see that they're a little bit hairy. They're a little bit long too. They're just curling. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna dermaplane my face. I'm gonna use the Autumn Glow beauty oil that I got. I showed you guys in my last video. This is so good. I've had this bottle for a while and I swear I barely made a dent in it. I'm gonna use that to like kind of soften my skin a bit, but first I am going to tweeze. I don't know, I feel like when I tweeze under here, my hairs don't grow back as fast, and I get the same results with waxing, so I'm like, might as well just tweeze anyway.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish your way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you.
So I just cleaned up my eyebrows, and this is what they're looking like. They do look better when they're more like laminated. That's when I take the new brow glue by NYX Cosmetics and kind of swoop them up. But I'm not gonna do that right now because I am going to dermaplane my face. That's pretty much how I do my brows. I used to wax them, and I like waxing them, but I just feel like tweezing does the same thing, and then I just shave the rest with the shaver that I get from Five Below. But I used to wax them and I liked waxing, but my wax machine actually tipped over by accident and went everywhere, so I had to throw it out. I'm so sad. To grow out from like the past, I want to say month or two, no, month and a half, I believe. I usually do this once a month. I've been a little bit, like I said, I've been like out of it lately, so I've been kind of slacking. I actually find that if I don't do this, I break out more. So yeah, I'm still gonna keep doing it. So let's go ahead and get this done. This oil does not make me break out at all, and it's all natural too and organic. So good. You have to check them out. It's so gentle on the skin. You can get a pack of these for like literally $10, 10 of them for $5 at Five Below. And then the beauty oil, you can get this one, which is so good, or you can get one that's like at Five Below as well. They have a bunch. I love to do this because it helps with my breakouts. It helps with my makeup. Girl, my makeup applies, like, it looks flawless. Like, compared to when I have hair on my face, like, it literally looks flawless. So I recommend this step to do. Back, I just washed my face. It's still a little bit red. I'm just going in with the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream from Youth to the People. Honestly, I hate having sensitive skin because no matter how light I do anything, my skin starts to like react. So hopefully this will cool it down. It usually helps a lot. If you don't know, Youth to the People has some great products. If you have combo skin and you suffer from a lot of breakouts, I highly recommend them. They just soothe my breakouts. They soothe my skin. I've been using them for a while now, and I always get really nice results and soft, supple skin using them. I'm gonna do a little bit of the NYX Crazy Lift Brow Glue because I just want to see how my brows look to make sure that I don't need to do anything else to them. These are how my brows looking. Look how good they look. Like that lamination effect. I'm telling you, this is the best brow glue on the market right now. It won't move from where it's at right now all day. And just do like a couple little swoops. Make it look more filled in, more realistic. Give it like that feather-like effect. And I just love how it looks when I do that. So pretty, so pretty. Moving on, we're gonna do these lashes. Guys, I don't know if you know, but You Cool Me is gone. Yukumi is no longer of service to us now. I don't know if they're gonna be coming back. I don't know. It's sad. But my friend put me on to some new products, which is what I've been using lately, and I feel like they work just as good. And that's the xoxo Lash and Bond Seal. She showed me this one on, I believe, TikTok shop, and they have it on Amazon for like a 2-pack for $15. This has been the new glue that I'm using. Take a screenshot, or you can find it in the description box. What am I saying? For lashes, I've been using these Alice Lash Clusters, the wispy ones on Amazon. I think they're about like $8. Each container is like $8, but these give the most beautiful fluttery lash extension effect. In my recent videos, they have been all I've been using, and I love how they look. So shout out to my girl for putting me on, because these are it. Okay, my lashes are done. What do you guys think? This is the wispy set I was telling you guys about. I just feel like it's very natural, but also like gives a little bit of, you know, oomph. I just love how they look, and I love how they look when I put makeup on. They just look so good, so juicy, makes me feel like a baddie. All right, so we did our full body routine. We have the hair refreshed, brows are done, dermaplane is done, and lashes are done. So all we have left are nails. But I wanted to show you guys, because I do my nails and I do my toes. I used to do Gel X on my toes and paint them myself. My toenails are so flimsy. I use these press-ons that I use with the Gel X method. So I use these press-ons from Amazon. I'll have them linked in my Amazon storefront. But these look so beautiful and natural, guys. And these, the other ones I had didn't have like a glossy look to them, but these, let me show you. This is what they look like, and they already look like they have a top coat on. And they just look so natural. I'm gonna show you guys my toes in a second, but I love how they look. It literally looks like I went to the salon to get my toes done. They're the perfect length. And if you're like me that has like very flimsy toes, this is the perfect option for you. So yeah, if you're like me and you have very flimsy toenails, or you just go to get pedicure done and you're just trying to save some money, girl, get into these. I use them with the Beetles Gel X nail glue. I kid you not, I've had these on for a month and they have not budged. Like, you just have to press them down really well, and I'm telling you, they will not come off. Yeah, this was, I'm gonna say $20 on Amazon. You know how many sets I can get out of these? Girl. So the rest of my nails on this hand popped off like pretty easily. So I'm just gonna pop off the rest of these and get right into these nails.
Leave me on red, baby, but I still get the message. Instead of lines, 3 dots, but I can connect them. And if it ain't right, babe, you know I respect it. But if you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Blowing kisses like where you catch 'em at night. I'm Cupid with arrows, babe, I'm just shooting my shot. If I could get in, drop me a pin, hopping up and come over. Don't wanna be friends, skin to skin, I wanna get closer and closer and closer. The way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Oh, my love, holding my feelings,
back. It's actually been a couple days now. Life got so busy and I was like, I just couldn't pick up the camera to like finish off this maintenance vlog. But here we are. Girl, I did my hair like 2 days ago. This is what it's looking like. As you guys saw, I did my nails and this is how they turned out. I'm obsessed. I literally love them. Like, so we're officially all done. Hair is done. Nails is done. Lashes are done. Still on. They're still looking good. Dermaplaning is done. I just feel like a whole new person. I feel good. I feel like a baddie on a budget. And I don't have to do my nails for another 3 weeks. That sounds so good to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this cozy little fall maintenance vlog. Like, it was a little bit chaotic, but I'm gonna be working on it, so stay tuned for more videos. Everything that I use is gonna be in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. And if you like videos like these, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, join the fam, follow me on my other platforms, guys. I'm more active on those. And if you have any videos in mind that you want me to film for you guys, let me know. Girl chat, makeup, hair care, maintenance stuff, let me know. But I hope you guys have a great day and make good choices. Bye.